Hi guys, welcome to Suchi's classroom session. In this session, we are going to see about the unit 3, economics in the fashion industry, under the topic 1, concepts of economic goods and services. Economics in the fashion industry. The fashion industry is a complex sector with significant economic implications, influencing and being influenced by various economic factors. Here are some key points to consider. Global market dynamics. The fashion industry is a global powerhouse with a market value that runs into trillions of dollars. Major fashion hubs include cities like Paris, Milan, New York, and London. The industry is characterized by rapid changes in consumer preferences, driving the need for continuous innovation and trend forecasting. Supply chain economics. The fashion supply chain is extensive, often involving multiple countries. Raw materials may be sourced from one country, manufactured in another, and sold in it another. Economics of scale play a significant role, particularly in fast fashion, where companies produce large quantities of trendy clothing at low cost. Labor and production costs. A large portion of fashion production is outsourced to developing countries where labor is cheaper. This practice, while reducing costs for companies, raises ethical concerns about wages and working conditions. This disparity in labor costs between countries impacts the competitiveness of fashion brands on the global stage. Consumer behavior. Fashion is heavily influenced by consumer demand, which is often driven by trends, cultural factors, and economic conditions. During economic downturns, consumers may cut back and discretionary spending, including fashion, leading to a shift in purchasing patterns toward more affordable of durable products. Sustainability and ethical economics. There is growing consumer demand for sustainable and ethically produced fashion. This shift is pushing brands to rethink their business models despite the higher production cost associated with sustainable practices. Circular fashion, which includes recycling and upcycling garments, is becoming increasingly popular, impacting traditional economic models of fashion production and consumption. Fast fashion versus slow fashion. Fast fashion brands like Zara and H&M thrive on rapid production cycles, delivering new trends to consumers quickly and at lower prices. This model is profitable but often criticized for its environmental and social impact. Slow fashion, on the other hand, emphasizes quality, sustainability, and ethical production, often leading to higher cost and prices but appealing to a growing segment of conscious consumers. Technology and innovation. Technology plays a critical role in the economics of the fashion industry, from e-commerce platforms to AI-driven design and trend analysis. Innovations such as 3D printing and smart textiles are beginning to disrupt traditional production methods, potentially reducing costs and waste. Global trade and tariffs. International trade agreements and tariffs significantly impact the fashion industry. Brands must navigate complex trade regulations to optimize their global supply chains. Changes in trade policies, such as tariffs imposed on imports, can increase costs for fashion companies and ultimately affect pricing and consumer demand. Branding and marketing. A strong brand is essential in the fashion industry, where consumer loyalty and brand perception can significantly impact sales. Marketing and advertising, including the use of social media influencers, are critical investments that can drive consumer demand and differentiate a brand in a crowded market. Economic impact of fashion events. Major fashion events like fashion weeks have significant economic impacts, generating revenue for cities through tourism, media coverage, and business deals. These events also serve as platforms for launching new products and trends, influencing consumer spending globally. Thanks for watching this video.